Good morning to all. Myself, Khushbu Bhalodia, Assistant Professor, Chemical Engineering Department, LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. My subject is Green Technology and Sustainable Development. In a previous lecture of Green Technology and Sustainable Development, we were discussing about the concept of cleaner production along with the benefits, tools and methodology for cleaner production. Now in a today's session, we will see the environmental management system, comparison of environmental management system of IS 14001 with the cleaner production, and then we will cover the cleaner production barrier. So let us start with the environmental management system. Environmental management system is a set of processes and practice that enables an organization to reduce its environmental impact and increase its operating efficiency. See, this environment management system is a process and practice which helps the organization to increase its environmental impact, and also it will increase the operating efficiency of any industry. So every industry have their own goal and achievement for the environmental management system. On some moreover that environmental management system help to reduce the generation of waste, help to end of pipe treatment, help to achieve environmental compilations for that industry. So now we will see the action of environmental management system. Environmental management system works based on the plan, do, check and act procedure. So in the planning stage, environmental policies, legal registrations and aspects of regarding the environment that should be carried out at the planning stage. In this do stage, a procedure, a documentation process, this is carried out. At the checking stage, environmental impact is checking out, and then after the action based on this is taking out. So what are the basics elements of environmental management systems are reviewing the company's environmental goal. After reviewing the company's environmental goal, it will analyze the environmental impact and what are the legal requirements are there to achieve that environmental goal. And then environmental management system sets some environmental objective and target to reduce the harmful impact on environment, and then it will monitor and measures the progress to achieve that goal, and after that it will ensure that the employees are complete aware about this entire task. So here I can say that environmental management system is working on this continuous loop of plan, do, check and act analysis. Now we will compare environmental management systems of ISO 14001 and cleaner production. ISO 14001 is an environmental management system particularly for the end of pipe treatment, or I can say for the reduction of generation of waste. So based on the end of pipe treatment of ISO 14001, I can say that it covers the treatment and disposal of waste, right? That means incineration process is there, after incineration this final disposal of waste is there according to ISO 14001 of end of pipe treatment. Whereas in a cleaner production, entire approach is towards the prevention. That means there is a prevention of waste at the source itself, and moreover that there is a recycling approach should be adopted in the cleaner production. Right, here the reduction at the source itself can be achieved by change in the raw material, can be achieved by adoption of new technology, can be achieved by good housekeeping also, right, control of pollution at the source itself. But here in this end of pipe treatment, there is no such kind of provision is provided for the prevention. So this is a main comparison between ISO 14001 and cleaner production. There is a advantages of cleaner productions are there over the ISO 14001. So advantages of cleaner production is it have a potential for the economic solution. It will reduce the amount of materials and energy used in the system because there is adoption of new technologies and new treatment innovations is there. There is a minimization of waste, effluents as well as emissions in industry. Moreover that there is a reduction of risk in the area of environmental commitments and disposal of waste. So this is a comparison of ISO 14001 with the cleaner production. Now we will compare environmental management system with ISO 14001 and environmental management system with cleaner production. So clearly we can say that cleaner production is far ahead than end of pipe treatment, or I can say ISO 14001, because the main focus of EMS with cleaner production is develop a technique to minimize the waste. Moreover that only the cost is related to the adoption of new technology in the cleaner production, whereas cost is requirement for the documentation, for the compilation parts in the ISO 14001. This cleaner production covers the entire life cycle of any process. That means reduction of raw material energy at the starting to the reduction of the atmospheric emission, whereas ISO 14001 covers only the environmental emergency plans, survey of environmental aspects, and it will cover less factor than the cleaner production. Moreover that the most highlighted part between this is in a cleaner production there is a prevention of waste at the source itself. That means it limits the use of landfill sites. Complete disapproval is there without any careful and judgmental incineration purpose, right? In a cleaner production there is a huge no to the landfill sites as well as without judgmental incineration. This is not applicable in the cleaner production, whereas in an environmental management system of ISO 14001 it will privilege the process and control which is associated to focus on the end of pipe treatment only. Now we will see the cleaner production barriers. Despite of this many advantages of cleaner production, CP is not adopted that much in the industry. Why? Because there are barriers to the cleaner production. Two kinds of barriers are there: internal barrier and external barrier. Internal barrier, that means there is a lack of information, expertise, staffs, because in a small scale to the medium scale industry, the experts persons are missing for particularly application of cleaner production. Moreover that there is low environmental awareness is there. For the small scale to larger scale business, only their short term goal is to gain a profit. Right, so that is also a cleaner production barrier. Financial obstacles are there, some middle management inertias are there. That means that is particularly for the very larger organization, or I can say when for the very big company where some intermediate management peoples which are also acting as an inertia for this cleaner production application, even though some top management willingness is there for the application of cleaner production, there is some barrier from the middle management also. Now in large labor force obstacles is also there, because if industry is running for the shortage of manpower. External barrier to this industry are the failure of existing compliance, because the adoption of new technology will limit the efficiency or that will lower, so that the regulatory approaches are required. So it is also a barrier for the cleaner production. Difficulty in assessing the cleaner technology, which cleaner technology will suit for the reduction of waste, that is also a problematic. And difficulty in assessing the external finance, that is also a sometimes cleaner production barrier towards the industry. Now to overcome these barriers, some motivators and drivers are there inside the company as well as and outside the company also. So how to overcome this cleaner production barrier? By proper environmental management system and by the continuous improvement, one can overcome this cleaner production barrier. Also, corporate environmental reports and environmental accounting help to reduce this cleaner production barrier. And external to these industries are innovative regulations in this industry will overcome the external cleaner production barrier, as well as proper education and training to the employee will reduce the external cleaner production barrier. Moreover, that economic incentives are there, and then buyer supply relation will also try to reduce the cleaner production barrier. Moreover, that there is a community involvement should be there, and loans from the financial institutions will be there to overcome the cleaner production barrier. So this was regarding the environmental management system, comparison of environmental management system ISO 14001 with cleaner production, and last we covered cleaner production barrier along with the drivers and motivators of cleaner production. So this was regarding the today's session of cleaner production. Thank you so much.